Everyone always asks me, well, what about mounting from the ground in a treeless saddle? Is the saddle going to roll? Well, the answer to that is yes and no. If you try to do a traditional Western type mount, where you grab onto the saddle to try to haul yourself up, you're going to end up on the ground and the saddle's going to be on your horse's side. So I have found what works for me the best, and I'm going to share that with you. I put my left foot in my stirrup and I push it forward and brace it against my horse's front leg. I grab onto my horse's mane and I put my hand on top of the seat or over. I'm going to push off with my right leg on the ground, my left foot in the stirrup braced against the horse's front leg. I'm going to pull on the mane. I'm going to put this hand over the side of the saddle, or if you have a taller horse, on the saddle, and I'm going to push off with my right hand. There we are.